Good. There we go. How's it going, everyone? I'm Dr. Brian Vear here at Advanced Health Chiropractic at the South Loop of Chicago. Today with Robert, he's got a lot of neck pain, upper back pain, specifically into that right shoulder. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in and do treatment for just that. All right, Robert, go ahead and go face down. So again, we're starting with the orthostem to help loosen up the joint. We're going to get the base of the spine all the way down the neck. And with Robert, I want to do a motion palpation on his ribs to see how we're doing motion-wise for the upper back. And yeah, the right's a lot stiffer. That's what I thought. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off, Robert, go ahead and go face up. Start off hitting that right rib. So go ahead and cross your arms. This one over the top. I'm going to do a rib adjustment on the one that I felt wasn't moving properly. Right up there, you feel that? Okay. So go ahead and take a deep breath in and out. There we go. I got some good movement on that. Flip side. Gonna check the other side real quick. Yeah, right top when I first felt right there. Yeah. Go ahead and breathe in and out. Oh, move before I even drop it. There we go. All right, go ahead and go back face down. Next thing we're gonna do is a mid-thoracic adjustment. And it looks like we already got that, but we're getting the ribs, now we're getting the spine. So I'm gonna contact right here. Go ahead and breathe in. And relax these shoulders. Good. Excellent. Go ahead and scoot down a little bit for me, Robert. Next thing we're gonna focus on is the CT joint. That's gonna be right here. Contact the head. Breathe in. And relax that shoulder. Good. Same thing other side. Left ear, left shoulder. Good. Go on your back. Last thing we're going to adjust on Robert is the upper cervicals. Go ahead and unzip that a little bit. Good. I feel the difference from right to left. Yeah. So we're going to contact the right side, bring it all the way over. Relax that shoulder down. There we go. We got some good movement. That was pretty good. That was good. Yeah. Left ear to left shoulder. Go ahead and breathe in. And there we go. Now we're moving. All right, grab my elbow. You're all set, Robert? All right, that's gonna do us for Robert's treatment for today. So go ahead and like and subscribe if you're watching on YouTube, and we'll catch you in the next one.